Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are having a fantastic day. Let us begin with our today's video. Now our today's video is going to be very important guys, because in this video we are going to highlight and we are going to discuss one of the most important point right now. Okay, that is a lot of people are actually looking for a job into an IT industry. Okay, also a lot of people are currently working into IT industry, but they are stuck into some kind of project where they do not see any kind of salary growth or the career growth. So this video is definitely for you guys. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end and understand all the points that we are going to discuss. Okay. Now before moving forward, I would like to show you some of the messages. Okay. So we received a lot of questions in the comment section or in the Telegram group, on LinkedIn as well. So people usually say that I'm an ENTC graduate from 2021 year and currently working as a GT in Pune area, and I want to go for a job into an IT company, but I don't have the relevant skills. I also paid the HR, but they're not giving me any opportunity, right? So people cannot leave their job due to their family pressure as well, right? But they want to get into an IT company. Okay, they want to learn the skills, right? So here you can see in the second case scenario that a lot of people are doing actually some kind of course from here and there. Okay, but they do not have any placement assurance, right? They do the course, but they do not get the right interviews, okay, or even right opportunities where they can get a job. Okay, along with that, a lot of people want to go into an IT background from non-technical background as well, and these people are asking us that what should we do, what should we do to get a job, a good job, what should we do to get good skills. Okay, so for all these people we came up with a solution. Okay, so we are going to discuss that in this video. If you are facing any of the earlier discussed problems, or you are a recent graduate who is looking for a web development course which will help you to land a job that pays you well and provides you good career growth, let me help you make that decision. FunctionUp is an upskilling platform that runs a web development bootcamp. This bootcamp trains students extensively in web development engineering skills with a focus on HTML, CSS, MERN Stack, JavaScript, cloud computing, and caching. Now, this bootcamp is 4 months long and the curriculum stands approved by the NSDC, that is the National Skill Development Corporation, which is a Government of India initiative, which means that after completion of this bootcamp, you will receive a training certificate which is presented by FunctionUp in association with NSDC. Okay, and also the curriculum is designed by the top tech professionals from IIT in collaboration with the industry expert guys. You can learn everything you need to know to land a top-notch backend developer job at companies like Flipkart, Meesho, Paytm, and much more. Wait, have I told you the best part yet? Yes, so the best part is that you get 100% placement assistance and your package can range from 5 lakh rupees to 40 lakh rupees depending on your skills. And you have to pay the fees only when you start earning. So here you can read directly that start a tech career and pay after getting the first salary. This is a 100% placement with a minimum package of 5 lakh rupees, which is a FunctionUp placement bootcamp. Now guys, this bootcamp is starting on 30th of January. If you want to register for it, you can go over here and you can directly apply for the admission in tech. You just have to enter your name, your last name, your WhatsApp number, and you have to submit it. Then you have to fill out your education details, like your graduation year, your graduation details, branch, and everything like that. Along with that, you have to then attempt the entrance exam. Okay, this will be a basic check for all your skills that you currently have. Then you have to crack the admission interview and you have to complete the basic programming course. Okay, so this is a very simple admission process. Okay, if you want to learn more about it, if you want to read about it, you can simply click over here and it will redirect you to the admission process page. Now let us quickly have a look at the alumni, what the alumni have to say. Okay, so here are some of the testimonials from the alumni from FunctionUp Bootcamp. Here you can see that Jai Sardar, who is currently working at City Mall, says that in my first on-campus interview, I realized how little I knew of the tech and which should have known as a BTech graduate. By spending 8 to 10 hours every day learning backend, solving problems, running my code, and getting my doubts solved, prepared me to do much better in all the coding interviews. Okay, along with that, there are a lot of people as well. As I've already mentioned that FunctionUp are giving 50% scholarship for all the female candidates. Okay, so make sure that you take benefit out of this. Here you can see Nihar is currently working at Dataweight. Then you have a lot of other people who is Mukul, who is currently working at Bishop. Okay, then you have Preetham, who is currently working at Dataweight. Also, if you look at the recent placements by FunctionUp Placement Bootcamp, you will find that a lot of people are actually placed into top product-based companies such as Razorpay, KC Overseas, Sky Air. Then you have different companies like Simplify 3x, okay, or iServe. Okay, again you have Drona HQ. All these companies are where the alumni from FunctionUp are placed. So guys, at FunctionUp, they train all the students with top web technologies that will help them to get a job into product-based companies like Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm, Swiggy, Razorpay, Zomato, etc. And the skills that you will be learning are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, data structures and algorithms. And you can specialize in any one branch, that is the backend or frontend. In backend, you will be learning about Node.js, MongoDB, REST APIs, caching, microservices, architecture. In frontend, you will be learning about hooks, React all over, and API integration, JSX, state management, all these things. Okay. Along with that, you will also learn the soft skills, okay, required for cracking interviews and interacting with the interviewer. So English speaking, group discussions, presentation sessions, okay. If you want to have a look at the detailed structure, you can go over here. I will give all the links in the description, okay, guys. So make sure that you check the course curriculum out, okay, backend development and front end development. So guys, from the beginning, I'm mentioning about the industry experts are from top product-based companies, top tech companies, right? So let us discuss about them now. So here you will find that the instructors who are Parul Mishra, who is currently working at Goldman Sachs, India. You have Akash Agrawal from FunctionUp. You have Saurabh from MongoDB. You have Akansha again from American Express, right? So you have Saptarshi again from Notional Systems, right? You have Akshay from Schneider Electric. So all these instructors who are currently working at top product-based companies, they will be mentoring you, they will be instructing you during this all post placement bootcamp. Okay, guys. Now let us quickly discuss the fee structure. Okay, this is very important and please understand it in a better manner. Okay, here you will find that the pay after placement is an investment into the students. Okay, pay zero upfront fees till you get hired with a salary above the threshold amount, that is 5 lakh rupees minimum. Okay, here you can find it directly that pay zero tuition fee until you get a high paying job, that is minimum 5 lakh rupees. Okay, and then you will have to promise FunctionUp to pay a fixed amount in a duration of 36 months. Okay, so here you will be sharing the income, that is according to the income sharing agreement. There will be an ISA. And one more important thing and one more good thing that is done by FunctionUp is for this particular placement bootcamp, that is full stack web development, you will be getting 50% scholarship for all the female candidates. Along with the instructors, okay, who are currently working in top product-based companies, you will also have an alumni access, right, from FunctionUp, who are currently working at top leading tech companies such as Amazon, Adobe, Cred, ShareChat, Flipkart, Meesho, Myntra, Zomato, Shaadi.com, Paytm, Oracle, and a lot of other companies such as Uber, Microsoft, Walmart, Netcore, Oracle. Okay, so you will be having access, you can get referral from all these alumni who are currently working at top product based companies who are an alumni from FunctionUp. Okay, so you can get referrals from them as well. Okay, one more important thing is that, guys, here are some of the stories, some tech articles and many other things that are from the people who have got into a good product based companies after having a very small package. Okay, you can see BSc graduate backed 5 developer offers with the right guidance. Okay, Aman Kumar, who is currently working at Omnicell. Again, you have SM Samir, who is currently working at Circle of Life, a roadmap of quality assurance tester earning 1.8 lakhs per annum to a software developer earning 12 lakhs per annum. So these are all the stories. You can go ahead and read it and you can get enrolled for this program. Okay, what you have to do is you just have to contact the FunctionUp team, or what you can do is you can directly go here and you can directly register. You can add your name, your last name, your WhatsApp number, and you can directly register for this program.